Good morning to everybody out there. Good morning to everybody on social media and on Facebook, on Twitter, on YouTube, on Instagram, on StockTwits. Good morning to everybody out there. Good to have everybody here this morning as we start into a Thursday here. A great trading day. Looking forward to trading with everybody here this morning. A lot of things happening overnight here and looking like it's going to be a great day to trade. Having just a little bit of an issue here with my screen sharing, so I will get that worked out here momentarily so we can get this day on. Well, good morning, and let's take a look and see where we've been. What's going to happen today? If you're new to the room, we trade here live every day. Transparent trading. We post all of our trades, our P&L, our results, and at this point in time, it looks like it's going to be a wonderful day to trade here today. If you want to join us, we've got a 14-day free trial on social media that you can take and come into the room and check us out. And again, we trade live each and every day. Mayor and I usually trade the morning session here, and then I trade for the remainder of the day as we get going here. And Michael, my trading partner in the afternoon session, will join me as well. And I'm looking forward to getting today's started and moving forward. Well, what happened yesterday? Yesterday, Dow was down 206, S&P down 21, NASDAQ down 64 points, down 0.90%. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to restart the, hold on just for 1 second. I'm going to try to restart it on my end here so I can get. Okay, I am back. Let's start it, see if I can start the screen sharing now. See if we can get this rocking and rolling. Okay, Clifton and or Gay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Got it. Perfect. No, that's not mine. Okay, perfect. Clifton, is that you? Or Gabe? Clifton, perfect. Thank you so much, Clifton. It looks great. So you just be my command central today, and we will walk through this together. That looks absolutely awesome there. Okay, and you've got some of my picks on there. We'll go through those in just a minute. So good morning to everybody here, and good to try that again, Clifton. I don't know what I did. I probably took it down. Good morning to everybody out there. Okay, Dow down 206 yesterday, S&P down 21, NASDAQ down 64. Today, German DAX in the trading session that's up now, up 22. FTSE in UK up 5, CAC 40 in Paris down 19. That's on the heels of an Asian market where we saw the Nikkei down 43 points, Shanghai and China up 36, and the Hong Kong Hang Seng up 449 points, up 1.75%. So again, this is a move for the Hong Kong Hang Seng up 1.75%. China, Shanghai up 1.36%. So moving in the right direction there as we get into the day here, and as we're starting to move and to groove. Asia's up overnight, and as we look at our session here, and as we get into today's session here, we're going to be looking at what's happening here with our futures and how these are reacting. Our futures this morning, Dow futures now down. I'm sorry, Dow futures pre-market down just 34 points. S&P futures down 6.5. NASDAQ futures just off a point. So traders, we got to be very careful this morning, searching for directions. Futures indicate a move downward, a move into the red this morning. I'm not too sure we're going to stay there, but we've got to take that for face value, where the futures are all pointing down this morning. And as we get into the day, that's going to be something very, very important that we need to look at here as we go forward. So again, futures are pointing down. And today, as we start into the session here, we're going to have to keep that in check. Well, why is that happening? Earnings, Walmart out $1.08 versus $1.01. That's very positive for the market. Same with Cisco. Revenue rising, man, oh man, 7.7%. Cisco's off to the races today. British sterling down big time because their Brexit minister, has resigned. U.S. retail sales up 0.8% versus up 5%, 0.5% expected. So that's a beat. And U.S. weekly jobless claims, 216,000 versus 212,000. I call that in line. Not that big. It is a little bit of a miss, but not that big a deal as we start to go forward today. Traders, remember, very important today, our Star Trader, last day of Star Trader. If you've been with us for the week, congratulations. Star Trader starts at 3:30 today. Michael will take the first half. I'll take the second half. I'm looking forward to getting that going with everybody in the room today. Again, last day for Star Trader as we start in on this beautiful Thursday. Well, let's say good morning to everybody here, and then we're going to go over a few stocks and get everybody excited about the day, get everybody talking about what's on their mind, and make sure that we now can focus in on a lot of these stocks that we're looking at here this morning. So, Christopher, good morning to you, my friend. Good morning, Davidas. John D., good morning to you. Welcome. It's your first time here. Welcome to the room. Young Shane, good morning. Namaskar, Jinkya, AJ, good to have you here, my friend. Thank you so much. Cesario, good morning to you. Taco, good morning to you. Absolutely. Riken, good morning. Rob, good morning to you. Elpar, good morning. Don, good morning to you. Paul, N, good morning. Yours, good morning to you. Maria, good morning. Thanawat, good morning to you. Heather, good morning. Harley, good morning to you. Good morning, Jeanette. AJ, good morning again. Lewis, good morning. Good morning, Coco. Good to see you here this morning. Gavin, good morning. Good morning, Stephen. Back to Orlando. Computer is going good. I will get the chip today, and hopefully, God willing, we'll have it all back together tonight. And I should be up and running full steam tomorrow. I'm looking forward to it here. Babak, good morning to you. Green morning, Eric. Good to see you here this morning. Good slogan. I like that. Jim, good morning. Jim H. Alfie, good morning to you. Good morning, Asher. Paul, good morning. Amir, good morning to you. Claudia, good morning. Good morning, Koa. Good to see you here. Zuma, good morning. Sharif, good morning to you. Almira, good morning. Leandri, good morning. It's going good. So far, I can't complain, although I don't have my rig up and running here. Hopefully tonight we'll get the computer back together. So, Todd, good morning to you. Yeah, exactly. No, absolutely. Absolutely not. Jim, good morning to you. Good evening. Yep. Jonathan, good morning. Yeah, I know. Absolutely. It's starting to get more and more, right? Yeah. Good morning, Cornell. Vitaly, good morning to you. Arsenio, good morning. Good day, Julia. DDS. I'll write down DDS. We'll take a look at that. DDS. Don't forget, we have all these IPOs today, too. Rajik, good morning to you. Ashok, good morning and welcome. Welcome to the room for your first time. Yep, absolutely. Hello, Hondo. Good to see you here. Andrew, good morning. Good morning to you. Sorry about that. Okay. Hey, Andrew, good to see you here. Good morning, Ross. Good morning, Jabari. Yes, Heather, we can for sure. Jeff, good morning to you. Daryl, good morning. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Russell. Frederick, good morning. Ralph, good morning to you. O'Neill, good morning. Elias, good morning to you. Yeah, it's. I've traded on a laptop for 10 years actually, but I never had to do the trading room and the laptop together. I've done it before in the past, but it's a little bit of a challenge. Clifton is helping me out this morning. Good morning, James. Irvin, good morning to you. Good morning, Sean. Computer situation hopefully will be fixed by tomorrow. Good morning, Jorge. Good morning, Khalid. Yes, Jorge, Jay, good morning and welcome to your first day. Derek, good morning to you. Good morning, Jason. Back up to Vancouver. Any snow up there at for skiing? No? Tayeb, good morning to you. Valencia, good morning. At Whistler. Yep. Jorge Antonio, good morning to you. Money, good morning. Chris, good morning. Ashok, good morning to you. Lily Scott, okay, perfect. Sufyan, sound is fine. Money's fine. Morning, Andre. Absolutely. Good morning, Peter. We do not have mentoring today. We do not have mentoring today because of the Star Trader course. So, okay. Good morning, KO. Good morning, Paul. Yep, absolutely. Morning, Peter. Julia, good morning to you. Good morning, James. First major snowstorm forecast. Okay. Bom dia, Gil, and good morning. All right, traders, let's take a look around here. I have got a couple of stocks I wanted to review with you all this morning, and then Clifton will get these up on the screen, and we should be good to go here this morning. And let me just make sure that I've got the same. I was looking at KBH earlier this morning, but I believe it's going to be an NTAP trade. NTAP under 72. It just pulled under there this morning, so we're going to watch NTAP under 72. If the market moves up, then we'll take this trade here as it's coming back down. But NTAP for a short this morning, that's one of them that I'm watching very, very closely here this morning. And then the other stock, not NTAP this morning, Emron, I'm looking at that too, AMRN. That looks really, really good to the upside for a nice upside move here. Emron's going to be over. AMRN is going to be over. Let me get the figure. 17.18. So again, 17.18 AMRN is going to be for the long side here. So AMRN, long at 17. What did I say? 18, right? 17.18. Okay, got that going here. And again, Clifton has got all the charts up here. And we'll have AMRN up there. We'll have NTAP up there to follow. We've got the SPY. Also, KBH this morning. KBH looking very, very good here as we start into the day. KBH on the downside, that's going to be the break of 18. Let's see, down for the 18.18. So 18.17 KBH to the short side. KBH on the short side, 18.17 break. That'll be the low of the morning. That's KBH under 18.17 this morning, 18.17 this morning. So, okay, there's that. And we should be ready to go. PCG is the other trade that I was watching here this morning. This is PCG. And PCG definitely under $24 here this morning. Okay, so PCG, this will probably be my main trade of the morning here. I'm going to add the announcement here. This is PCG short under 24 this morning. And got that going on. Okay, traders, we've got just about a minute left before we get started. Let's have a great trading day today. I may have one pause here earlier this morning. I've got the cable or the FiOS people coming here. So if I disappear for a moment, trust me, I will be back. And here is the opening bell, traders. Let's go ahead and take a look at PCH this morning, or PCG this morning as we start into the day. Should be a good trade. Watching NTAP as well. Don't forget we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 IPOs today. 5 IPOs. So once those come up, please alert me here in the room. Okay, traders, I did not get a good fill on PCG, but I did get filled. 2380. 2380 on PCG. I'm gonna take some off right here at 2337. 2337. And just a partial here, we'll let the rest ride. All right. Well, quick opening trade anyway. All right. Wow, look at that. Dollar move already, almost. Watch it break 23 now, traders. Watch PCG break 23. PCG break 23. Clifton, I think your charts are here. Let me just see here. I think the charts might be frozen on YouTube. Is that right? I know that they're not frozen here in the room. Let's see. Yeah, they are. At least on the PCG trade. Clifton, if you could take a look at that, I would appreciate it. Maybe restart. Okay, traders, anything over... Oh, wow. Look at the 23 just breaking now on PCG. This is a home run trade, traders. Going for $1 now with the remaining shares. Okay, buying the cover right here at 22.90. 22.90. Just 100 shares left on PCG. 100 shares left on PCG. Very, very nice move this morning. First opening trade on PCG, a 1-point winner. 1-point winner on PCG. Beautiful, beautiful way to start the day. I love it. Love it. Green out of the gate. Let's take a look at TLRY. Just pulled down. TLRY, I'm going to post over 102.34 this morning for the long side, okay? This is going to be a long 102.34 TLRY. TLRY long 102.34, okay? And that is over yesterday's close. SPY's opening down. Watching NTAP as well. TLRY a little broke here. NTAP coming back up. Again, I want to see it pull up before we get into the NTAP trade. Looking also at KBH this morning. KBH touched 18, has not broken through. We'll watch KBH for further downside here. Watch TLRY now. TLRY 102.34. If we get up, if this market starts to turn, watch the SPY this morning. Pretty much down across the board. Okay, TLRY should be my next one, or KBH under 18. PCG, awesome, awesome trade to start things off. I love when the day starts like that. There's no doubt about it. I know it was quick, but I think a lot of you guys had the warning here coming up. All right, let's watch KBH. KBH for entry, TLRY coming down. Something tells me the market's going to turn and maybe move higher. 23 cents to go on KBH. Good job, Khalid. Very nice. Very nice. Perfect, Eric. Good to have that. Good to have you. Okay, CGC. Let's watch this trade now. CGC. Certainly under $33 here this morning on CGC. And the NTAP's pulling up here. Here we go with KBH. Okay, watching KBH. Under 18 now. Under 18, we will be taking the stock. Penny to go. Penny to go. Okay, I'm coming in right now at 18. I am short KBH. There we go. There's the move. There's the break. Breakdown here of KBH. Looking for at least 40 cents on this trade now. 40 cents on the trade. Nice move down. Have not covered though. Still full size on the trade here on KBH. Full size on KBH. Watching it now. Again, entry is 18. We're at 1802. Watching TLRY. TLRY starting to come up a little bit. We may have a bounce